Blessings everyone. John, I'm not even know more than that video. As you guys know, I lost my brother on the toll road on the 17th of January. Alright, and I live in St. Thomas, so I have to be back and forth from St. Thomas to Kingston. And yeah, I have to like take my father to the places where we have to go. Because him not drive. I don't know what happened. I'm quite uncertain as to what go on. Last night, I come up Agri Park Road and I don't know if I me go in at the median or the median coming and was something up me out. Easy me slamming our median. Mash up my car last night. Fortunately, I not even get a scratch. That's the weirdest part, right? The car mash up. You know. And I try all that thing, but it look like, I don't know. I'm afraid to even go up on the road right now, peeps. I swear. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me show you guys the car and the condition that it's in. It's just a miracle, not a short of a miracle, peeps. But there, I tremble, like shaking me, I feel like laugh about it. But I don't get a scratch on the car, peeps, and on my side. I have to give thanks for life. In the midst of morning, my brother, it's like, I don't know. Let me show you the car, guys. Peeps, like seriously, I don't know how this happened. My next accident last month, I could have said, well, you know, I did a drink, but I stopped drinking alcohol from them time there. Almost 3 months now. And I don't know what. All know I can't figure it out how I crash out. I swear. It's the car here, peeps. Yeah, peeps. Collided with the column on Agri Park Road. I'll shut the door, the fender, and that's so. The money in the car and the mat, because I don't keep money in my pocket when I drive because for security reasons, I always put money on the mat and just get PSC done. I don't know who going in the car for the people who might help me or for the police, but all that happened. I just think I'm tired because I'm up and down for the past couple of days. I've been back and forth from St. Thomas to Kingston. So I just guess I'm tired, yo. The greatest thing, I'm still here. I don't know what I'm going. I'm more better at that time. It's like that come for me too. But it's one of those things, peeps. Alright? Yeah, I'm gonna go and hold it. Y'all stay blessed. Yeah, peeps. I don't know what I'm going. I just go continue to pray. You know. You guys, so I have a video on my phone and I think I'm gonna upload. I'm not sure if I told them I'm gonna do it because it takes a lot of editing, and right now my head still on way, I swear. I just try to be strong for my father and my stepmother. So thank you all for watching.